In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Exp Slack account. Let's jump right in so you can start collaborating with your team effectively. First, you'll need to locate the invitation email sent by your team or admin. This email grants you access to the Slack workspace, which is essentially the digital office where all your team members will communicate. If you haven't received this email, there's a chance it might have sneaked into your spam or junk folder, so make sure to check there just in case. Once you've opened the email, you'll see a button labeled Join Workspace. Go ahead and click on that. By clicking this, you're being directed to your team's specific Slack environment, which is customized to suit your organization's needs. Next, Slack will prompt you to enter some basic details like your name, display name, and password. These are crucial as they'll be how your colleagues identify you within the workspace. If your organization has enabled Google or Single Sign-On (SSO), you might see those options as well, allowing for a simpler login process. Once you've entered your information or chosen to sign in with Google or SSO, you'll be logged into the workspace. Now that you're in, it's time to set your preferences. Simply click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the Slack app, and from there select Preferences. This section lets you customize various settings to optimize your Slack experience. Start by setting your notification preferences. This way, you'll only receive alerts for messages you deem important and avoid unnecessary distractions. Additionally, it's wise to configure your working hours and time zone. These settings are particularly helpful for those working in international teams, as they allow your colleagues to know when you're available, aiding in smoother communication and collaboration. Finally, it's time to explore the channels within your workspace. Channels in Slack are essentially chat rooms dedicated to specific topics, projects, or teams within your organization. Take some time to browse through them, see where your role fits, and join the conversations. Channels are a rich source of information and collaboration, allowing you to keep up to date on projects, propose ideas, or to share fun bits with your team. And there you have it. You're all set up and ready to dive into the collaborative world of Slack. Remember, the key to getting the most out of Slack is staying engaged and using those preferences to tailor your experience. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you find your time on Slack both productive and enjoyable. Stay tuned for more guides and helpful tips in our upcoming videos.